Welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, like the video, make sure you drop a comment down below and share with all your friends. And without further ado, let's get into it. Well, hello. Welcome back, lovelies. It's been a minute since I've seen you guys. What's new? How's your quarantine going? Has your state opened up? Etc. Well, without further ado, I know you guys seen the title of this video and you're like, what is this? Sis, let me check it out. I need to know. So I know you guys have seen jelly nails going around like crazy, and I've seen a lot of people try this gel polish out, and I'm kind of like, what is it about? So I went on Amazon, and you already know your girl ordered some gel polish. So we will be reviewing the Makartt Jelly Gel Nail Polish Kit. Yes, it's a 6-piece set. Each one is approximately 10 milliliters. It just comes in this fun little box for you. Yes, so that's pretty much it. I do have my lamp here. We are going to swatch it with actually two different brain fart tip color options. So I did go ahead and take them out of this, but it has like a little manual in there in case you guys need to read or know how to apply gel polish. So that's pretty cool. Each polish was inside of, it's like this foam holder. Unfortunately I trashed it, but nonetheless it kept the polishes nice, safe, and secure. So we'll get into the polishes now for you guys. You ready for this? All right, so first up is what they call Crystal Rose. Now, when I saw it said rose, I'm like, okay, this is gonna be a red color, but it's actually not. It's more of a pink. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty neon. And the next one we have is Crystal Orange. Oh, by the way, you guys like what's on my hand? Check it out. Boom, 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 boom. So these are actually a new personal set that I dropped probably 2 days ago now. And this is a Louboutin Classic set. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below as to where you guys can purchase these beauties. Like, look at that. Shimmer baby. All right, so anyways, this one is a Crystal Orange, and this is what it looks like. Next up we have Crystal Green. It's really like a neon yellow, but I guess it's a lime green too. And then we have the Crystal Violet. It's a really pretty purple. And then we have the last two, which are both blues. There's Crystal Dark Blue and Crystal Sky Blue. So Crystal Sky Blue. And then we have the dark blue. Now, I want you guys to be able to tell the difference, so I'm putting them side by side. Ooh, let's get a little bit of that gel off. There you go. Can you guys tell the difference? So the dark blue, which is here, is slightly darker and the other one's slightly lighter. So that's the difference between those two. At first I was kind of like, why did they put both of them in here? Like, I could have used a different color, but whatever, it's still cute. So let's go ahead and swatch these guys. I'm gonna swatch them on two different things. I have these little clear nail tip things here, and we're just gonna swatch them on these guys, as well as I have one of my swatch charts, and this one's kind of like a, what they would call like a natural color. So if you guys are using these for press on nails, if you do have the natural color, you know what it look like. And just a quick tip for you guys, if you are using over natural, it will make the color look opaque instead of jelly. So let's go ahead and get into that. I'm gonna do all of them at the same time, pop into the lamp and cure them, just to make it easier. So we're starting out with Crystal Rose. And just to let you guys know, I am doing 2 coats over these, just so I can make sure that the color really pulls through. So this is the second coat and cure. Alrighty, you guys, so here it is, 2 coats on the clear tips. This is Rose Red, Crystal Orange, Crystal Green, Crystal Violet, Crystal Sky Blue, and Crystal Dark Blue here for you. So here's the rose color. Crystal Orange. Green. Violet. Sky Blue. And dark blue. So this set was actually missing a true green, so I decided to pretty much create my own green. So I'll let you guys know what I did to get a 7th color option out of this entire set that we have. So if you guys know anything about colors, when you mix colors, you can create new colors. So if you were to take what they call neon green, which is pretty much a yellow, and you take, let's say, sky blue, and you overlap the two. Whoops, there you go. You overlap the two, you're gonna get a green. Okay, so no matter how you want to do it, blue first, whatever, you know, you're still gonna get like a green. So this one is actually what I will call a teal color. It's not too blue, it's not too green. Now, if you were to swap out the sky green for the crystal dark blue, which is a little bit deeper, you're gonna get more of that true green color. So just overlapping in here, you guys can kind of see what it looks like. Even if you were to swap it, it kind of doesn't matter. But to show you guys what it looked like once I actually swatched it, here it is. And this is just taking the crystal dark blue and the crystal green and just doing one coat after the next. So first coat is going to be yellow green, second coat is crystal dark blue. So here it is on the natural tips as well. Same order: crystal rose, crystal orange, crystal green, crystal violet, crystal sky blue, and crystal dark blue. So you can see what they look like. I mean, the colors are pretty much the same, true. This just makes it more opaque this way. Now, I will show you guys what I did when I said how I made the green. So let's move these guys out the way. Let's take the crystal green and the crystal dark blue. And at first, I'm going to apply the crystal green. I want to make sure you guys can thoroughly see this. Okay, we're gonna pop that into the lamp, let it cure for 30 seconds. Okay, so I decided to do 2 of them because I want to show you guys what like the teal color looks like compared to the more green tone. So I'm gonna start off with the crystal sky blue. And I'm gonna put that right over the first crystal green. Now, can you guys see how that went from being yellow to being in green color, like super fast? So yeah, that's how you get a true green instead of like this yellow tone. And then this one here is the crystal dark blue. I'm gonna put that directly over this one. Boom, there you guys go. And I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but it's more of like a bluey green versus this one that's more of a true neon green, so to speak. But nonetheless, they're both still beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and cure those both in the lamp for 30 seconds. So while that's curing, let's chat for a second, guys. So here's the thing, I want to bring you guys some new content, some different videos. So sound off down in the comments if you guys would like for me to post some vlogs, just because I am a business owner, so sometimes I feel like it'll be helpful for me to show you guys like my process as far as packaging, application, checking in orders, different things like that. So let me know if you guys want to see like those business vlogs. As well as me taking you guys shopping when I have to buy any of my product to use. So I can definitely do some like shopping hauls in here too. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys would like to see videos like that. I know I feel like those would be really fun and helpful. So let me know what you guys think. So these have cured. So this is what they look like. So beautiful. So yeah, I have used these on press-on nails for clients. I'll insert some pictures, or you guys can check out my Instagram. New Instagram, so it's gonna be Shasia Beauty. I'll leave it down below. Make sure you guys go follow me over there. I'm constantly posting content like on pretty much a daily basis, if not several times a day. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, okay? I'll put the link here as well as in the description. You guys don't want to miss out on that. So yes, I have used these on nails for a client. I always test out products on myself before I go ahead and make something for a client, just because I want to make sure that the product is going to work and hold up to my standards. Now, primarily when I am using polishes for my clients, I do tend to use professional brands only. So by that, I mean you have to be a licensed professional to get your hands on these products. Not unless they're, I guess, being sold elsewhere. So for example, Like this is Artistic Color Revolution. This is a professional brand product. I also use SE and OPI gels anytime I do a set because I know how the product is going to hold up for a client. So this is my first time ever trying the Makartt polishes, and as far as how they hold up to a professional product, I would say that they definitely do hold up pretty well. The colors are nice and vibrant. They're not pricey like most gel polishes do cost, so that's another great thing there, because I think I paid about 20 something for all 6 of these, and I can get another 2 colors, so it's really like I got 8 for like 20 some dollars. So I feel like that is a really great price. As far as standard sizing, they're pretty much standard all across the board. So I would definitely say if you're looking for some jelly polishes, you know, whether you're going to use them for true jelly purpose, like on the clear tips, or you want to use them more for like neon opaque tones, like I did on the natural tips, I feel like this is definitely a great product. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos of me trying out some Makartt products, definitely let me know down below. I'd be more than willing to go ahead and be the guinea pig and purchase these products and try them out for you guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you guys drop a comment down below. Let me know what products you guys want me to try out, what you guys think about these products. Here's these colors. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I can't tell you guys enough because I'm planning to do a giveaway. I'm not gonna say exactly when, but you know, I might drop it on Instagram first. So make sure you go over on Instagram, follow me there. That way you stay tuned for all content. Make sure you subscribe here as well. Make sure you click the like button. That way I know you guys like the video. Comment down below if you have any questions or anything like that. I definitely will respond back to you. So without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.